So now we have Chef George with us here, and he's going to make for us the famous Kuwaiti dish mummosh.
Okay, so the ingredients for the mawash, I have here already onions minced, and I did some saute, for 5 minutes. But I didn't add too much oil. I add little bit of oil spray.
Oil
Yeah,
spray.
oil spray. And if you want, I can add little bit water and then still like stirring until it be brown.
Yeah, so it gives it more color, I
Yeah.
suppose.
See?
Yeah, it's nice and brown.
Yeah, nice and brown without a lot of oil. And here I will add garlic, 2-3 garlic. I will stir. Of course, I have the ingredients. The main ingredients is brown rice, 1 cup, measuring cups, and half cup of mash, majroush. This one, cracked one, mash. And as you see, I soak it in the water for before 1 hour, and the mash too. And also the shrimps I soaked dried shrimps exactly. I soaked for before 1 night actually in the fridge, but I clean it very well. I should wash it very well, like to be clean.
Because it needs a lot of cleaning, and
Yeah.
it's you have to soak it just to bake it very soft. And I like how you chose the red rice, because red rice is very, very healthy. It has the fibers, and of course the mash, which are the green lentils, and they're very good because they're rich in protein.
Exactly.
And of course the shrimps are rich
I
in
love this recipe
protein.
actually because it has lot of fibers and protein, like from also mash it has protein, and from the shrimps as well. So
What I like about this recipe, it's as you said, it's very wholesome, and it's filling as well. So when you eat it, it's very satisfying to your taste buds, and you feel actually very full afterwards.
yeah.
Now you added the shrimp.
So I added shrimps to the onions and the garlic. I stir for maybe 1 minute or just to take the flavor for onions and garlic. I have here coriander, and some say they put dill or shbint in Arabic, but I just put coriander, green coriander.
And you put plenty of coriander here, and it does make the dish more healthy.
More healthy, yeah. It gives like more flavor. So I can add now coriander.
What about the spices? When are you going to add that?
That's the most important. Spices, very special. You have like 7-8 spices, I think, here. We have turmeric, cumin, black pepper, cinnamon, and what we have also cardamom, coriander, dried coriander, and lumi. It's just dried lemon.
So you have to put lumi with the mawash, which is the dried black lemons you find in the shops.
Yeah, so I'll add it now all together, and salt, of course. Smells yummy now.
It does, and at my house, my mom puts the whole lemon, the whole black lemon in the dish, so that it can soaks in the flavors as well.
Yeah, you can put this also. Some also they put like cinnamon stick also, or bay leaves. So now I will just put the rice, brown rice. So I did some change. Instead to using white rice, I put brown rice.
Which is an excellent idea, because you do need more nutrition in the meal. It's more healthy.
And it has more fibers. And for brown rice, some they complain because it will take time, or it doesn't cook well, like it doesn't taste like white rice. But to be honest, the spices, it gives a lot of flavors, and it will be really nice with the spices.
Actually, I think it's a good addition to mawash, because this dish already will have a brownish color to the rice.
Yeah.
So in times, when you're seeing the dish, it won't be much different from the original dish, I suppose.
Exactly, of course, because you add like more spices. I love brown rice actually, and it will take a little bit more time than regular one.
But it's also worth it, worth the time, of course.
Because I soak it, it will not take a lot of time. So 1 cup of brown rice, it needs just two hot cup of water. And for mash, since also I soaked it before, I will put around maybe half cup. So the total maybe like 2¼ cup of water for this recipe.
And the beautiful thing about this is like the lentils themselves also have a lot of protein and they're very, very filling.
Yeah.
They have a lot of nutrition in them, and you know, you have to add, you have to add it in your meals. I think we always forget about the pulses and the lentils in our meals. I think this is a wonderful way.
Yeah. So the most important here for the rice and the mash, of course, to put hot water now, not cold water, should be boiling. And when you see it, it's just boiling, like now, you just reduce the heat and you cover it. And it will take maybe around 15 minutes for like 1½ cup mash. So it's easy recipe and to make and healthy.
It is. It is very easy. It just took you 5 minutes just to mix all of these things together. No, it's really wonderful and easy.
Now what I will do, I will try. I prepared already mash. It's mummosh.
Let's see the fully made mouash. You have also here the shrimps, which are the ready cooked. Yeah.
For this recipe, mummosh, you add half. When you do this filling, onions and garlic, you put half of the filling with the rice and the mash, and the half you put it on the top of the rice.
Oh, that's the garnish, which is good. It's beautiful.
Easy to make. So I will make the salad now. As you see, I just, you know, to be like healthy plate and tasty and everything. You have protein, carbs, vegetables, you know. It should be like colorful also. I made just vegetables. Like I put rocket, you know, rocca and cucumber, cherry,
The cherry tomatoes.
cabbage little, capsicum, red and yellow.
It's really nice and very colorful, as you said.
And the dressing, I try to not make a creamy dressing. Just I try to make it simple. As you see, balsamic vinegar and olive oil. And I can use also mustard. Okay.
I think mustard is a lovely touch, especially if you put some spinach in there. They go really well nicely
Actually,
together.
you can add like some herbs also for this dressing, like basil, oregano, anything.
You choose what you like, I suppose.
Exactly. So I will add this olive oil. I didn't add too much olive oil. I know it's healthy, but also it has calories.
So we try to make it as low calorie as we can. Oh, but look at this. This is really amazing, like the way the mustard now became yellow. So we can actually show it. It's actually really nice. It's becoming like a paste.
Exactly. And then you add, I like balsamic vinegar actually.
Oh, I love it. It's like I have to have balsamic vinegar. I love to add honey always with balsamic vinegar just to add a bit of sweetness.
Like honey mustard.
Yeah, honey mustard.
But with balsamic. Okay, this salt. Okay. Now I will add it to the salad. And I will mix it together.
It's already like the colors look amazing already. See,
Colorful.
it's just before we mix it.
More vitamins, more colors, you know.
More, yeah, absolutely agree. And I think you choose whatever vegetables you like. Like if you don't like, for example, roca, you just replace it with something, you know, like lettuce or maybe something like spinach, maybe.
Maybe spinach, baby spinach, for example. Or lettuce. We have many kind of lettuce.
And cabbages as well. They're very, very healthy. And I heard that the cabbages, they do have some anti-cancer properties.
Exactly. Actually, also on the spices, what you put for the mawash, it has antioxidant also.
This looks delicious, absolutely delicious. Now let's see the main meal.
Okay. So since I prepared before, I just show you like sample what I can eat. Some friends they ask me, what do you eat like to be healthy and and to be fit.
Yeah.
To be honest, just it's simple. Like you can put rice, like divide your plate like this. You put brown rice
And it already has the protein portion
from
inside.
vegetables and also like from the shrimps. So here's the rice.
And of course, it's the salad.
Okay.
I have to keep this for my futur.
Yeah. Here's the shrimps on the top. Smells yummy.
Absolutely delicious. And the mustard smells amazing with the balsamic vinegar. Just the aroma here is amazing.
And here I have also like robe or yogurt. And you can add also here fruits, berries, any kind of fruits you can add. Like to be
Of course, you can put them in a separate plate.
this plate.
same.
Yeah. But what the idea is like to
Yeah.
divide your plate and to be like having everything.
Absolutely.
as-
And you have the concept here, which is really
Exactly.
fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you, Chef George. It's a really wonderful dish, and I'm going to keep this for my futur, seriously. Thank you.
Happy Ramadan and Ramadan Kareem for everybody.
Okay, thank you, guys.